Ever wondered how to unlock wealth with fixed income investments? Well, you're about to find out. Picture this: a financial landscape where your money works for you, generating a steady flow of income. That's the beauty of fixed income investments. In a world where financial markets can be as unpredictable as the weather, fixed income investments are like your reliable umbrella, offering shelter from the storm. They provide a level of safety and predictability that's hard to find in other investment options. Why? Because the returns are, well, fixed. Whether it's a bank deposit, a government bond, or a corporate deposit, these investments promise a set return on your money. It's like having a steady paycheck, but from your investments. And who wouldn't want that? So if you're looking for an investment strategy that offers lower risk and predictable returns, fixed income investments might just be your ticket. Now, let's delve deeper into the world of fixed income investments, shall we? What comes to mind when you hear the term bank fixed deposits? Perhaps images of bank vaults, piles of cash, or even that comforting feeling of financial security. In essence, bank fixed deposits, often abbreviated as FDs, are a sort of financial tool that banks offer to their customers. They're like a safety deposit box for your money, but with a twist. Instead of just sitting there, your money earns interest over time. FDs are a tried and true investment method, and they're not going anywhere anytime soon. They offer a fixed return over a specified period, which means you know exactly how much you'll have at the end of the term. No surprises, no guesswork. Just a steady, predictable increase in your wealth. It's like watching a plant grow, but instead of leaves, you're sprouting banknotes. And let's talk about safety. FDs are like a financial fortress. Your money is protected come rain or shine. In many countries, even if a bank were to face difficulties, deposit insurance schemes ensure that your hard-earned money is safe. It's like having an umbrella that shields your money from the financial storms that can sometimes happen. Now, on to the convenience factor. Opening an FD is as easy as pie. You can usually do it online from the comfort of your own home. No need to stand in long queues or fill out tons of paperwork. It's just a few clicks and voila, you've planted your money seed and can sit back and watch it grow. But perhaps the most significant benefit of FDs is their suitability for conservative investors. If you're the type who likes to play it safe, who prefers a sure thing over a risky gamble, FDs are your ideal match. They're the tortoise in the race, slow and steady, but always crossing the finish line. So there you have it, a snapshot of the world of bank fixed deposits. They may not be the flashiest investment out there, but they're reliable, safe, and convenient. They're a classic choice for those who value stability and predictability in their financial journey. Bank fixed deposits, a classic choice for those who value safety and convenience. Did you know that the post office also offers an investment scheme? Yes, you heard it right. The Post Office Monthly Income Scheme, or POMIS, is a brilliant investment tool that often flies under the radar. POMIS is exactly what it sounds like. An investment scheme that offers a steady and dependable income every month. It's like having a reliable friend who always pays you back on time, without fail. And the best part? This friend is backed by the government, so you know they're good for it. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. POMIS is one of the safest investment options out there. Why? Because it's a government-backed scheme. That's right. It's the equivalent of a financial safety net, providing you with an assurance that your investment is secure. This assurance is what makes POMIS a popular choice among investors, especially those who prefer stability over high-risk, high-reward investments. It's like choosing a sturdy ship that ensures a smooth sail over a speedboat that might offer an adrenaline rush, but also comes with a risk of capsizing. But let's not forget about the returns. While POMIS might not offer the highest returns on the market, it provides a consistent and dependable income. It's like having a steady job that might not make you a millionaire overnight, but ensures that you have a regular paycheck coming in every month. Let's take a moment to appreciate this. In a world where financial markets can be as unpredictable as a game of roulette, having an investment that provides a steady income can be a breath of fresh air. It's like being able to sleep peacefully at night, knowing that your money is safe and steadily growing. So, if you're looking for an investment option that offers security, dependability, and a steady income, POMIS might just be the perfect fit for you. It's like finding a snugly fitting glove that protects your hand in all weather conditions. With POMIS, you can look forward to a dependable income every month. So go ahead, give it a shot. After all, who doesn't like a little bit of financial stability in their lives? What if you could invest in the country's development and earn returns in the process? Now that's a thought that can turn heads, right? Well, that's precisely what government bonds allow you to do. Let's break it down. Government bonds are essentially IOUs issued directly by the government. When you buy a government bond, you are lending your money to the government for a set period. In return, the government agrees to pay you a fixed rate of interest over that period and to return your original investment at the end of that period. This direct relationship between you and the government is what makes these bonds so secure. There's no middleman, no complicated structures, just a straightforward agreement between you and the government. After all, it's not every day that you get a chance to lend money to the government, is it? But here's the best part. While the security of government bonds is top-notch, they also offer reasonable returns. This combination makes them an attractive investment option for anyone looking to balance risk and return. The returns from government bonds come in two forms: regular interest payments and the potential for capital gains. The interest payments are like clockwork, providing a steady stream of income. The potential for capital gains, on the other hand, can come into play if bond prices rise. However, it's important to note that, like any investment, government bonds do come with some risks. The most significant risk is that if interest rates rise, bond prices can fall. But remember, the government backs these bonds, so even in such scenarios, the risk is greatly minimized. So there you have it, a quick rundown of government bonds. They offer you the chance to invest in your nation's development while also earning returns. They're a secure investment option, backed by the full faith and credit of the government, and offer reasonable returns. Government bonds, the perfect blend of security and returns. Ever thought about venturing into the corporate world with your investments? Welcome to the world of corporate fixed deposits, a fascinating realm where the corporate and financial worlds intersect. Corporate fixed deposits, or CFDs as they're often called, are deposit schemes offered by companies that function much like the fixed deposits you're familiar with at your bank, yet they come with their own unique quirks and potential benefits. While typical bank fixed deposits are a safe house, known for their stability and predictability, corporate fixed deposits are the adventurous cousin, offering potentially higher returns. Now, don't let your imagination run wild. We're not talking about sky-high profits overnight. But compared to traditional bank options, CFDs can provide a slightly higher interest rate, making them an attractive option for those willing to dip their toes into corporate waters. It's akin to choosing between a well-trodden path and a slightly less traveled one. The first offers familiarity and safety, while the other promises a bit more excitement and potentially greater rewards. However, as with all things finance-related, higher returns often come hand in hand with a touch more risk. Corporate fixed deposits aren't covered by deposit insurance, unlike their bank counterparts. Therefore, it's crucial to make an informed decision, considering factors like the credit rating of the company, its repayment history, and overall financial health. Yet, don't be deterred by this. Remember, knowledge is power. By doing your due diligence, you can navigate these waters with confidence and potentially unlock a new avenue for wealth creation. So, let's recap. Corporate fixed deposits offer a chance for higher returns compared to traditional bank options, but they come with a slightly higher risk. As with any investment, the key is to strike a balance that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Corporate fixed deposits, a step into the corporate world of investments. This step, when taken with care and consideration, can potentially lead to a path of increased wealth and financial security. So we've explored the world of fixed income investments together. We've journeyed through the safe harbors of bank fixed deposits, where your money is as secure as a vault, offering you a steady stream of income. We've visited the dependable income generator that is the post office monthly income scheme, a stalwart in the world of fixed incomes. We've navigated the balanced terrain of government bonds, where security and returns go hand in hand, offering you a safe bet in the financial race. And lastly, we've ventured into the intriguing world of corporate fixed deposits, where higher returns await those willing to take on a dash of extra risk. Each of these options has its own unique appeal, and understanding them is the first step towards unlocking your wealth. Remember, the path to wealth lies in understanding your options and making informed decisions. Until next time, happy investing.